Memories are precious, so choosing where to store them and how we take them with us deserves just as much care as actually creating them. Since it's the season for memory making and gift giving alike, we partnered with Seagate and Newegg to bring you a holiday buyer's guide to help you identify the right storage solution for all those memory makers and memory enjoyers on your holiday list this year. So thanks to Seagate and Newegg for sponsoring this video, we're gonna go into our Seagate bag of goodies and highlight the 5 people on our list that are probably on yours too. Meet the first person on our list. I like to call them the memory replayer. This is the console gamer who has a healthy catalog of games, but they also have a handful of titles they just cannot bring themselves to delete. It's like they're sacred. No, not like the ARPG name Sacred, unless that game holds a special place in your heart. I'm talking about those comfort games that have fond memories associated with them. They're like a cozy, worn sweatshirt. Now for the memory replayer, Seagate has this right here, the Xbox expansion card. This expansion card was created in partnership with Xbox to enhance the capacity of both the Xbox Series S and the Xbox Series X consoles. And with storage options up to 4 terabytes, this is also great for the person that feels that they need to have every Call of Duty title ever made installed on their Xbox at all times. Now, if you're more of a PlayStation enjoyer, don't worry, Seagate hasn't forgotten about you. They have an adorable Astrobot drive too. Okay, the memory replayer, it's a pretty specific case, so let's move on to the next person who I know you all know, the Traveling Chronicler. This is the person who goes on vacation and takes at least 30 pictures of everything and has a few hours worth of videos to go along with those pictures. The Chronicler, they're that person that wants to remember every sprawling vista, every seaside beverage, and every bite they've ever taken in glorious details. Even if that vista is just a view from the kitchen and those plates and palette cleansers were homemade. For the one chronicling memories on the go, Seagate has their portable external HDD with versions ranging from 1 terabyte for the Traveling Chronicler in training, all the way up to 5 terabytes. This is also a great drive for the everyday chronicler that just wants to make sure their PC is backed up every now and then. Now, this next person shares some of the Traveling Chronicler's traits, but they crank things up to a whole nother level. Meet the Visiting Videographer. This is the person who takes videos of everything. This person sees the world through a lens more often than not, so they can catalog every holiday, special event, and gathering. These are the people who never miss an opportunity to capture videos of their dogs, their kids, or parents doing something positively adorable. These videos aren't just for the sake of keeping records, they become the story threads that the Visiting Videographer weaves together into a beautiful tapestry to make everyone cry just a little bit, even if the presentation is just too long. But all of that requires a lot of space, so for this person, Seagate has the USB 3 expansion desktop hard drive, and it comes in sizes all the way up to 26 terabytes. Next up is the person I'd like to call the remote legend. Not because they're only remotely legendary, but because they know a thing or two about how to survive extended stays and long layovers, whether that layover is being holed up someplace with bad internet or getting stuck in a blizzard conjured by a round of festive singing. This is the laptop or handheld gamer that not only has their device preloaded with some of their favorite titles, but they also have a backup library. For this person, the name of the game isn't just storage, it's speed also. And that's exactly what the Seagate ultra compact 2 terabyte USB 3.2 Gen 2 drive was made for. This super compact fast SSD has a footprint small enough to fit in your pocket. See, with this kind of extension to their gaming library, a long winter's nap won't be the only way that the remote legend is gonna get through those long silent nights or long holiday family parties. Okay, this last one, I know a few of you are gonna get called out, but I have to acknowledge them because you either know one or you are one. The final person on our list is the one who deletes nothing. This person is an archivist. Not only does this person never delete anything, they never forget. They have receipts for everything. This is the type of person who has at least one of every type of PC cable known to man, just in case someone needs one. Now, to the one who deletes nothing, their network attached storage it's precious to them. And with every file they see you trying to delete, they remind you of the immortal words of Indiana Jones yelling, "That belongs in a museum!" So what do you get for the person who keeps everything? Well, how about Seagate's 28 terabyte Iron Wolf Pro internal hard drives? That's a whole lot of memories that can be preserved. And if preservation is a big deal to you, on 3 of the 5 drives we mentioned, the Expansion, the Ultra Compact SSD, and the Iron Wolf Pro, Seagate provides their Rescue Data Recovery service. This service gives you access to a team of data recovery experts who provide an in-lab recovery attempt as well as an encrypted storage device to return your data to you. So if you're worried about a drive getting damaged, maybe that's from a mechanical failure, an accident, or natural disaster, Seagate provides you a little bit of extra peace of mind. You'll just want to make sure that the Rescue Data Recovery service is available in your country. But there is one more person in the mix here, and it's someone that all of these different people on our list have in common. Every single one of them is me, and it's my team too. And whether it's for videos we make here for our channels, traveling to events, or just living life, every person on that list is us. Not only that, we're constantly looking for ways to bring more of the things we love with us, whether it's more of our game libraries, more capacity to create in the wild, or more videos of our dogs. And don't worry, we have some creative ways that we're looking to use these drives in the very near future, so make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss those videos when they drop. Now, if you want to know more about the products we mentioned in this video, or you're curious about what other storage solutions Seagate has to offer, you can pop over to Seagate.com to get a broader view of their lineup. And if you're interested in picking up one of these drives for someone on your list, check out the links in the description. Those will take you over to Newegg.com, and hey, Newegg is always running specials, so you might be able to treat yourself, a loved one, or a friend this holiday season. Again, we want to say a huge thank you to Seagate and Newegg for sponsoring this video, and from all of us here at Robeytech, we want to wish you the best holiday season.